Hello and welcome back to the WP Globe YouTube channel. In our today's tutorial, we are going to review the AutoZone theme. It is a modern and highly convenient auto dealer theme for WordPress. It will definitely amaze those people who provide car rental services and sell automobile through their WordPress websites. So if you want to know how to design a great car rental services website on WordPress to attract more customers to your website, then you should watch the tutorial till the end. So the AutoZone theme was released more than 5 years ago. It is constantly updated, provides great and thorough documentation, and has a great average rating that scores 4.9 out of 5 stars. Also, it has more than 2,000 sales on the Envato market. The AutoZone theme contains various demos for automobile and yacht rental and booking, part shops, taxis, and many others. But let us review the main options. Here is an auto dealer theme. After setting up the theme, you will notice a wide range of variants to import your needed demo. For this, you should activate the theme. After the setting up process, you can easily edit the theme by using WP Bakery or Elementor for your choice. So here is the automobile page where you can add your automobile description. As you see, the page includes many fields as well as custom fields, additional tabs, and sidebar settings. You can also create your own models with brand marks. Here you may also find the body styles and equipment section. In the main settings section, you may customize the template settings as well as set the needed currency. But if your preferred currency is not available on the list, you may easily add it too. You should additionally set the currency for booking in the settings of WooCommerce, because the booking option proceeds through the WooCommerce plugin. This provides a flexible system of using payment gateways. So here is the booking system. You can set the location, a date, and additional services. One of the valuable features of the auto dealer template gives the dealers an opportunity to register on your site and add their own automobiles to the listing. You can also monetize this function and take the payment from dealers using the method of paid subscriptions through the Paid Members Pro plugin. This is a very convenient and flexible plugin and can create different plans for subscriptions and regulate the subscription system for automobiles. So as soon as the dealer creates his own automobile on your website, he can edit it anytime in the listing. But for this, the dealer must pass the moderation process. Also, the theme provides functions of social media that enables the users to create their groups and communicate with each other on your website. This makes the AutoZone theme more unique, providing all the needed features for all the owners of the automobile sites. In addition, its design is very unique and its design is not similar to other relevant themes and templates, which can increase your website conversion rate by engaging more visitors. So this video tutorial informed you about a great and easy to use AutoZone theme. You may enjoy its seamless features to design an engaging car rental website on WordPress. Hope you liked the tutorial. If yes, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn the notifications on. More valuable content is coming soon.